Father, we love you so much tonight. God, we thank you for your presence that's here to restore, that's here to encourage, that's here to bring life. God, I thank you that tonight we would experience your love more than ever before. We'd experience your grace more than ever before. In Jesus' name. You know, I was thinking about this week, what happened at the high school with Drake Yancey and the pain that a lot of you guys are going through right now. And the questions that a lot of you guys have. And as a youth pastor, you kind of wrestle like, what do I say? What should I say? And the truth is, there's no special formula. There's not something I can just say that's going to make everything all right. It's a horrible thing that happened. And that, unfortunately, you guys have to cope with now. And you kind of have to move forward now. And I want to encourage you guys with one thing tonight. It's actually a few things tonight. You know, last week we shared about the woman caught in the act of adultery and how, as followers of Christ, we've got to reach out to people no matter what, all the time. And I never want to use a situation to stand on a pedestal. Does that make sense? I'm not somebody that likes to be like, I don't like to do that kind of a thing. But what I do want to encourage you with is that there are people every single day that you're around that are lost and that are hurting and that are broken and that are looking for love. They're looking for something from somebody. And one question that I've asked our youth leadership class that meets is a really simple question when it comes to reaching out to people. It's a question of, if not you, then who? If not you, then who? And the truth is, and I do it myself, we pass people every single day who are alone and we don't say something. And the truth is, we could just even say hi. We could even say, what's up? We could even say, how are you doing? And just be there, just to let people know that they are not alone. And again, what I'm saying right now is not to bash anybody over the head, not to say, well, you should have. That's not what I'm here to say. What I am here to say is this, is the Bible tells us this, it's one of my favorite scriptures. It comes out of James 1:27. It says, anyone who sets himself up as religious by talking good game is self-deceived. This kind of religion is hot air and only hot air. Real religion is this: reach out to the homeless and to the loveless in their plight and guard against corruption from the godless world. And guys, as followers of Christ, man, it's our mandate, it's our duty to just reach out to people constantly. There's never a question of when or if it's convenient. Man, the way Jesus reached out to us was out of complete inconvenience. Does that make sense? The way Jesus loved us, he inconveniently loved every single one of us. And our job as believers is to simply reach out and love people. And guys, what I want to encourage you with, man, first of all, if you're here tonight and you feel like you're alone, you feel like you don't have anybody, I want you to know you do have people. Everybody in this room is here for you and with you. And I want to be really clear with you. I want to just take this moment to be just really raw and really honest with you. If you're going through thoughts about yourself, dark thoughts, man, talk to a leader about it. Talk to me. Talk to somebody. Don't be quiet about it. Just be real about it. We're here for you guys. As a youth ministry, we are here for you. We want to help you see life through, and that's what we're here to do. Man, the second thing is this. If you're being messed with, man, if you're being picked on, if you're being jacked with, talk to somebody about it. Tell somebody about it. Don't be quiet about it. And the third thing is this: if you're doing that, man, if you're in the habit of putting other people down and trying to put yourself up, man, stop. Just stop. Don't do that anymore. That's not what God has for us. And guys, I believe God wants to do something new in everybody's hearts. Man, I believe a lot of you guys are in a spot right now in your life where you've got a lot of questions. Maybe this week's made you go, man, what is going on? What is happening? I'll tell you this one thing. Your anchor has to be in Jesus always. There will always be storms. There will always be trials. Jesus promised us in his word that in this world you'll continue to face many trials and tribulation. But take heart, because I have overcome this world. And guys, our hope only can and only will be in Jesus. And man, I want to encourage you. We're going to take just a minute, man. If it means getting together with some people and praying with some of your classmates, please do that. If it means you just taking a minute to worship God and just pray and even ask God some questions. He's not afraid of your questions. But just take this next minute. We're going to go back in. We're going to sing this song for a couple more minutes. And I just want to encourage you guys, man, worship God tonight. Man, let him know what's going on in your world. I'm telling you, when you reach out to him, the Bible says draw near to him and he'll draw near to you. He'll draw near to you. And tonight I encourage you, no matter where you're at in your walk, this isn't a time to mess around with your friends. It's not a time to joke around. Man, it's a time to press in and let God do something in your life. Let God bring healing in your life. Father, we worship you tonight. God, we thank you for your presence tonight. And Lord, I pray that you would meet us here in Jesus' name. That you would meet everybody where they're at. God, we speak an end to depression. We speak an end to fear, to anxiety, to insecurity, to negative thoughts in Jesus' name. I thank you that every student in this room is a carrier of your peace, is a carrier of your joy, is a carrier of your hope. In Jesus' name, I thank you that nobody in this room would feel isolated. Nobody in this room would feel alone. Nobody in this room would feel like they're not wanted. God, I thank you that if anything, we would experience your love. In Jesus' name, let's continue to worship him for just a couple more minutes. Take a minute. Here's the deal. This youth group, we're just real. Like I'm not here to like play games. Like I don't do that really well. And I want you to just close your eyes, just out of respect for the people around you. But man, maybe you're here.